Every time I make a cosmic shot, I hold my breath until my daddy's okay.
You have earned the distinction of being the best trained, best prepared police officers in the world, ready to serve and protect the most vibrant city in the world.
I'm gonna make myself useful. I'm sorry. If I can take it back, I would. I'm sorry.
Great. She made this idea.
I threw up for the first time I saw that body.
I cried. I wanted to be a cop so much, Grandpa. But I don't think I can. I'm not strong enough.
You're strong enough if you're Reagan.